Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify QR code placement for signage in Canva. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify QR code placement for signage in Canva, start by opening your design in Canva. Locate the QR code you want to verify on your design. Ensure you have the correct QR code linked to the appropriate URL. Next, click on the QR code to select it. Check the size of the QR code by looking at the corners of the bounding box. Make sure it's not too small. A minimum size of 2 inches by 2 inches is recommended. Examine the contrast between the QR code and the background. A high contrast color scheme will improve scannability. Move the QR code to its intended placement on the signage. Ensure it is placed in a corner or near the bottom, where it is easy for users to find. Once positioned, double-check that the QR code has enough whitespace around it. This whitespace helps scanners recognize the code more easily. Now, it's time to test the QR code. Download your design as a PDF or an image file. Open the file on a smartphone or tablet with a QR code scanning app. Point the camera at the QR code to see if it scans properly. If it scans successfully, you're ready to proceed with printing or sharing your signage. Make any necessary adjustments if the QR code does not scan. Repeat the testing process if you've made changes. Once everything checks out, save your final design. Export it in the appropriate format for your signage needs. Your QR code is now properly placed and verified for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.